Hey guys, today we're going to talk about insects and bugs and creepy crawlies. And Miss Stafford is holding the camera this time because I'm going to get you some inside scoop on these bugs. And we're going to talk about their body parts. And their body parts are their head, their thorax, and their abdomen. And on each one of these bugs, I'm going to try to show you the best I can to be able for you to see those three big parts. We're also going to count the number of legs. We're going to look at their antennas. And I have a lot of cool ones over here. Now, you know Miss Stafford does not like bugs at all. Miss Stafford is so scared of them. And so, but I want you to be able to see them. So I'm going to try my best to not be scared and to be able to show you these. All right, let's get started. Our first one is called a blister beetle, a blister beetle. Do you see those stripes right there? Do you see those legs? Do you see, how many legs do you see? I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I see 2 antennas. I also see a head, a thorax, and an abdomen. A head, a thorax, and an abdomen. And we know those are the 3 big parts. All right, let's look at the next one. The next one is called a leaf beetle, a leaf beetle. And to me, it looks like a leaf kind of, doesn't it? Yeah, and it has 6 legs. And then let's look at the head, thorax, and abdomen. Ready? There's the head, the thorax, and the abdomen. And that is called a leaf beetle. Look at these little, if you look in there really close, you see the, on the legs, there's like these little gripper things. I wonder what those are used for. This one is called the golden spotted tiger beetle. The golden spotted tiger beetle. Ooh, he stresses Miss Stafford out. Look at those legs. Let's count the legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 legs. There's also these little spots and stripes right there. I wonder if that's why they're called the tiger beetle. They also have 2 antennas. And they also have a head, a thorax, and an abdomen. This next one is called the rose chafer, and I'm going to pick it up and kind of wiggle it around. You see how it kind of, it's called something called iridescent. That means that it kind of changes color in the light. Let's see how many legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 legs. And it has 2 antennas. It also has a head, a thorax, and an abdomen. Let's flip him over and see. Look on its underside. It's also iridescent, or it kind of changes color in the light. This is something that you may have seen before. This is called a yellow jacket. A yellow jacket. A yellow jacket looks an awful lot like a wasp. I think it's called yellow because look at this color. It's not the same color as a wasp. It's kind of got like a little bit of a yellow tint to it. Let's count how many legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And it has 2 antennae. And I see a stinger right there. Do you see the stinger? I also see a head, a thorax, an abdomen, and some wings. Let's flip it over and see. There's its head, its thorax, and its abdomen, and its stinger. This has a weird name. It's called a gutta bug. A gutta bug. Look at this bug. It's red, huh? And it's got some black legs. Let's count the number of legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It also has wings, doesn't it? And we know that it also has a head, a thorax, and an abdomen. Do you see the head, thorax, and abdomen? This is something that I know y'all have seen. This is a grasshopper. And it has 6 legs, it has 2 antennae, and it also has a head, a thorax, and an abdomen. Do you see it? We have lots of those around, huh? This one's called a lanternfly, and it kind of looks like a ladybug to Miss Stafford. It's kind of a yellowy orange color, not like the ladybugs that we see a lot of. Remember, Miss Stafford sent a picture to show y'all that was a black ladybug with red spots. Let's count the legs. I see 6 legs, and I see 2 antennae, and at the top of the antenna is black. That's different. And I also see the wings, because we know the spotted parts are the wings. Let's flip it over. I see a head, I see a thorax, and I see an abdomen. This is called the spiny orb weaver. Look at those spikes. Isn't that kind of scary a little bit, huh? It reminds me of a spider, because it almost looks like it has 6 extra legs because of those spikes. I see 6 legs. Do you see 6 legs? I also see 2 antennae. Can you tell me the parts of the insect? We know that there's a head, a thorax, and an abdomen. This is a spider. A spider. Ooh, I see something different about this. I don't see 6 legs. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I see 8 legs because we know that a spider is actually an arachnid. And we'll talk about that later when we read a spider book. And it has 8 legs. And let's see what it looks like when it's flipped over. Oof. The next one is a scorpion. It's a little bitty scorpion, and scorpions have stingers. Do you see the stinger right there? Let's count how many legs. Yes, 8 legs. Ooh, what are these up here? Those have pincers on the end, huh? Let's flip it over and see what it looks like underneath. Ooh, I still see that stinger in those little claws. Look at the little pincers. You see them? Eek. This is called the Lychee State Bug, and this is our last bug. What kind of shape is its body? It looks kind of like a rectangle, huh? And how many legs does it have? 6. And how many antennae? 2. And what's the parts of the bug? The head, the thorax, and the abdomen. We see lots of different kinds of stink bugs in Louisiana. Ooh, look at those orange stripes. Yes, sometimes there's tree stink bugs, and they're really, really big. All right, that's all the bugs that I have for you right now. I miss you, and I love you, and I hope you enjoyed seeing the bugs. And keep an eye out for my videos this week about bug books. I love you.